Hi everyone, Water Dragon here. I wanted to share with you some really cool secateurs that I got recently. I know that it's not typically normal for herbs or any sorts of plants that are going to be harvested for magical purposes to be, collected outside of the usual ritual ways. But I feel kind of wrong about running around with a ritual knife to harvest herbs from plants or flowers or trees or whatever, and knowing that it's not quite the best tool to use for the job, because the last thing that I would want to do, of course, is hurt the plant. So I thought, I wonder if there is a way to get really, really fancy secateurs that would be nice and safe, that still have a bit of a ritual feel. And I think I have found them. So it's been really difficult not to open this box. I've had it for probably a month, maybe even 5 weeks, and I'm just dying to get inside them. But I wanted to do an actual unboxing because I really enjoy watching unboxings on YouTube. So yeah, I have held off opening it. So I'm just going to crack into it now and let's have a look and see what it's like. This is from an Australian company called the Lost Seed, but they're actually imported from the UK, and I think it's an ash handle. So it's got ash wood, part of it. So it's got that lovely sort of traditional history to it. So I feel like I'm not venturing, too far out of my comfort zone for it, but I know that I'm not going to be harming the plant, which is really important when I'm traipsing around my yard or secluded places looking for lovely things to take back and use. So let's crack in. I must say as well, this did come very quickly. So in the description box down the bottom, I'll just link where I got these secateurs from. I had sort of posted something on Instagram about it and it got a little bit of interest, so I'll be sure to share the details with you all. Oops, not quite there. Business card. Yeah, how cool is that? Rare and has heirloom seeds. Ooh, in here. Nice. So the blade's all protected. Ooh. Actually, I'll move this out of the way before we get too ahead of ourselves. Making a mess. Let's take a look at these babies. Ooh. Look at that. They are fancy. Very, very nice. So they've got the little latch down here at the bottom. And you presumably flick it down. Gee, that's tight. There we go. First time it's been used. Ooh, do you hear that? That's a good sound. I like that sound. See, and they're nice and wide too, which is really nice. Like it's hard to find secateurs that have got a good wide sort of cutting blade to them. You'd be surprised the amount of ones that you can find at Bunnings and places like that you spend $60 on, and somehow it only goes sort of wide enough for you to cut really, really small plants, and that just isn't what I want to do with them sometimes. Especially if I'm, out on a walk and you don't quite know what you're going to come across. So there we are. There we have it. The wood is really nice quality, actually. Kind of the texture of it actually reminds me of like a bone butter knife that my mother has from her grandmother, her great-grandmother, that she's had for a really, really long time, obviously, if it's from her grandmother. Yeah, it's got that sort of feel to it, that kind of old worldy feel. So yeah, I'd highly recommend checking them out. The Lost Seed. These weren't particularly expensive. I'm not really in the habit of spending fortunes on tools. But yeah, if you're in Australia, I'd encourage you to take a look. There's something really special about having a tool that's just set aside for ritual purposes that isn't going to hurt the plant. I hope that has been interesting. If there's any other, herby type materials, tools that I pick up anytime soon, I'll be sure to post a video about them. But thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions about the website or the experience shopping from them, anything further, feel free to leave a comment. Wonderful. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.